Hello and welcome to this brief introduction to the WHS management system. In this overview, we're looking at the system as it displays on desktop computers and tablets. Please also refer to the mobile device system overview tutorial. When logging into the system, members with access to multiple workplaces are directed to the My Workplaces list. In this example, the member has manager level access to the first two workplaces and staff level access to the third workplace. The My Workplaces dashboard shows task and incident activity across all workplaces the member has access to, regardless of their access level. Manager level members see additional workplace and subscription details in the list, along with the workplace activity score, the number of user logins during the period being viewed. Selecting the Workplace Activity Score info icon pops open the user activity within the system modules that are factored into the activity score calculation during the relevant period. To access a workplace, select the View icon, which links to the Workplace homepage. The workplace being viewed then displays in the Greetings tab here at the top of the workplace. Selecting the Workplaces link returns to the My Workplaces list. Members with access to a single workplace bypass the My Workplaces list when logging in, and in this case, both links here in the Greetings tab return to their workplace homepage. Directly below the Greetings tab is the Module menu. The modules visible vary from system to system and are based on the workplace subscription settings and the individual user access settings. In this example, we're logged in with manager level access to all available modules in the system. The module menu can be expanded to display module names or contracted to display smaller module icons. When contracted, mousing over the icons displays the module names. The Workplace homepage, the first option in the module menu, contains several functions. The first is an expandable view of up to 10 current tasks assigned to the user that can be managed directly by selecting the relevant action option. The next expandable function is My Calendar, which displays interactive reminders to the responsible user for all date-specific and sensitive records related to the workplace. And the final function on the Workplace homepage is the Other WHS Resources area. This contains various miscellaneous WHS resources and documents, including those that are referred to in the Workplace Administrator System Induction tutorial messages when a new subscription is created. In addition to the Workplace homepage, there are typically around 20 additional system modules, including 4 that relate to contractor management. Navigating to a system module is as simple as selecting the relevant icon in the module menu. Different modules have different purposes, which are explained in the on-screen help area and the module-specific video tutorials. While different systems contain different modules and the modules perform different functions, the user controls are consistent across all modules. The Add a New Record button appears above the list of records in each module, wherever a user has access to create records in that module. The search and sort tools are available for all modules, and all actions display when the action icons are moused over. All system records are created and managed via online forms, which all feature instructions and field tooltips that can be selected for more information. And for more information, please do refer to the module and function specific tutorials and help notes. And that concludes this brief introduction to the desktop and tablet version of the WHS management system. Thanks for watching.